Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's quick video is just sharing my latest design team pick for Junk with Steph on Etsy. I am part of her design team. I kind of fell off the wagon in January, but we're bringing it back for February. And this is the package that I picked. So everything on Steph's site is downloads. So they're all downloads. And on this particular one, this is called Words and Labels. And I decided to go with this one. I saw this one on here and I just figured, let me take this one because there are so many ways I can use this, because I don't have a lot of sentiment stamps and I don't have a lot of sentiment stickers. You know, like I have the Tim Holtz pad of the sentiment, but they're not really sentiments. They're just like words, which are fine for some projects. But at other times, for instance, when we're making cards, you want that sentiment. And I did it on out here. So I had already used 2 of them when I made these cards. Collect beautiful moments. Creativity takes courage. So let's just go through some of these pages. There are 12 pages available in the set. It's $2.95, and you have this forever. It's on your computer. You print it out whenever you need it. So I was pretty excited about receiving this one. So this is the one that I did cut apart already, so it comes, you know, together like this. I cut some of these off, and you just have your phrases here in a great font, a great size. I first tried to print these off my phone, and it takes the whole page and turns it into a 5x7. So that was like itty bitty. So I did not keep that one. And then went over to the computer and printed it that way. So, I mean, they're just great sayings. Good things are going to happen. Today is a good day. Find your fire. Live, love, laugh. I mean, just great. That you can just snip them up like this, and you can just cut them all out and, you know, put them aside till you're ready to use them. Or if it's easier, just keep it in one sheet, and then you can read them, and as you're ready to use them, you can use them. So here we have just some sayings. So this kind of reminds me, maybe we would put this on the inside of a card. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happier version of yourself. How true is that? Be proud of every step you take. Never change to be accepted by others. Just really nice, what's the word I'm looking for? Confident sayings. If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of you like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. Oh, I like that. Kindness is a language the blind can see and the deaf can hear. Wow, really nice. Okay, so guys, like I said, it comes with 12 pages. So you have those 2 kind of just freeze style in there on the page. And then we have these like tags, but they look like the old-timey, you know, on the drawers, like the apothecary drawers, and you slide in the tag of what it is, what's in the drawer. So this one actually printed out on paper because I ran out of cardstock in the printer. Forgot to put more in, so then I had to go put more in. This one here I printed, and just disregard these words here because this was on something and I thought my printer would print it on the opposite side, and it did not. So that's okay. So there are a couple of these pages here. So the only 2 that I printed. I think there are 4 altogether. Just like this, the same. It's just the fonts are different. So I printed these 2, left 2 on the computer. But you can go over to the Etsy shop, and I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check out even the pages that I did not print. Okay, so we have those 2. And then there are also some label pages. And I did not print all of those, but I did print the ones that I felt I would use right away. Just really cute, like old-time like stuff. I don't know where she gets this, if she designs it herself, but they are amazing. And then here are just some cute little labels that you can attach, turn them into little tags, put them on gifts. And then there were also 2 more sheets with some words. I should have gone over these first, but I didn't. I had them in the bottom of the pile. So here's just bigger. Maybe these are good for like journals, planners. I know a lot of this is probably very utilizable in a junk journal. Just junk with stuff, right? Journal. So this is just a pretty cool page. All different little sayings, different fonts used. Love it. And then there's one more here with the words. And if you look, so these are a little bit smaller than this this first word sheet. And then the sayings are a little bit different too. Oh, here, look, pen pals for life. How cute. Hopeful, recipe, inspired by the little wonders in life. I mean, these phrases are just so versatile, especially in card making. And again, I'm going to show you my card because I thought they look really cute like that. And you can cut them out into tags. You can, what do you call it? Distress the outsides of them. You can, just like you would do any sentiment that you might have stamped on your project itself. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will be creating, and this is a kit that I will probably be bringing into my designs or my card making repeatedly. So when I do that, I will be letting you guys know where to go on Etsy to get these. Come on, guys, it's $2.95 and you get all this. Plus, remember, there are 12 sheets altogether. And this is only, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 4 sheets missing. 2 more of the tag words and then 2 more of the label pages. So go check them out and I will see you in the next video.